Are you planning an event with a message to deliver? Well, open up the doors to a wider audience and deliver that message live, online, using SW Audiovisual's webcasting service. Webcasts are being used for corporate meetings and AGMs, special events, internal communications, crisis management, education, and much, much more. With SW's ability to offer their clients webcasting solutions in such a streamlined and inexpensive fashion, the once unique service has quickly broken into the mainstream. If you have a message to deliver, let SW help you deliver it to the masses. It's no longer a complicated and expensive tool. We have all the technology set up and ready to go at a moment's notice. Our package includes an HD camera, webcast computer, and we'll provide you with a media stream to easily put onto your own website, or we can create an online page for you. We've provided webcasts for businesses of all sizes, from Major League Soccer press conferences to small community meetings. Any business with a message to deliver is suitable for this service. You'll be amazed at how inexpensive and easy it is. Make webcasting an important part of your communications strategies. Give SW Audiovisual a call today.